गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। So we saw up to 6th Anuvaka. So ultimately the Shruti Mata says, Sa Esha Bhargavi Varuni Vidya Parame Vyoman Pratishtita Saha Yaha Evam Veda Pratishtati Annavanannado Bhavati Mahan Bhavati Prajaya Pashubir Brahmavarchasena Mahan Kirtya. So the Drushtapalam also was pointed out. That is the benefits of this understanding or realization. Now we will have to start Saptama Anuvaka. Annam nanindyat tadvratam prano va annam shareeramannadam प्राणे शरीरं प्रतिष्ठितम् शरीरे प्राणः प्रतिष्ठितः तदेतदन्नमन्ये प्रतिष्ठितम् स एतदन्नमन्ये प्रतिष्ठितं वेद प्रतिष्ठति। अन्नवानन्नादो भवति महान् भवति प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेन महान् कीर्त्या। अन्नं न निन्द्यात् तद्व्रतं प्राणो वा अन्नं शरीरमन्नादं प्राणे शरीरं प्रतिष्ठितं शरीरे प्राणः प्रतिष्ठितः तदेतदन्नमन्ये प्रतिष्ठितं स एतदन्नमन्ये प्रतिष्ठितं वेद प्रतिष्ठति। अन्नवानन्नादो भवति महान् भवति प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेन महान् कीर्त्या। किंच अन्नेन द्वारभूतेन ब्रह्म विज्ञातं यस्मात् तस्मात् गुरुमिव अन्नं न निन्द्यात् तस्य एवं ब्रह्मविदः व्रतम् उपदिश्यते। वंडरफुल। मोरोवर यस्मात् since अन्नेन द्वारभूतेन ब्रह्म विज्ञातम्, So Brahman is realized. What is the entry point of Brahman? The first gateway, Annam. So there's so many points we can see, because what is the discovery? From the known to unknown. That's why Kenopanishad says, no, what is that truth? Other than the known and beyond the unknown. So our journey always begins from the known. So Annam is the Dwara Bhutena Brahma Vijnatam. Since Brahman is realized, Yasmat, it is realized only through this gateway called Annam. Tasmat, therefore, Gurum Iva Annam Nanindhyat. Like a guru or a teacher is never criticized or censured or blamed, ninda, or talked ill about. Respected, always revered, adored, honored, accepted. Similarly, Annam also not to be censured or deprecated. That's the meaning. Annam Nanindhyat. In our Sandipini also, there is a big board there. Annam Nanindhyat. In Annashala we put that board. Very wonderful Vartam it is. So, Evam Asya Evam Brahmavidha Vratam Upadishyate. This is the vow which is instructed or told for the knower of Brahman, one who knows that everything is Brahman, the one who had realized the truth, or one who is on the verge of realization, or one who has been practicing this Upasana, Brahma Upasana. Wonderful, it will come, Brahma Upasana. So, for them, this is the instruction given. Annam Nanindhyat Tadvratam. So it has to be taken as a vow in our life that food should never be disrespected, dishonored, deprecated. Nindhyat. Anna Ninda. Now see, wonderful. We'll see, let us go to the Bhashya, then we can see. Vrata Upadeshaha Annastutaye. Why Vrata Upadesha? Why this vow is instructed, Vratam is instructed? Because to eulogize the food, to praise the food. Annastutaye Vrata Upadeshaha. Because only to praise Annam, this Vratam is instructed. Upadesha of Vratam is given. And Stutibhaktvam cha Annasya Brahma Upalabdhi Upayatvat. And this Annasya Stuti, the praise, the food is worthy of praise because Annasya Brahma Upalabdhi Upayatvat. Because Anna become the means of realizing the Brahman. Because from there only the discovery begins. If the Anna is not good, Anna is not proper, or Anna is not there, we can do nothing. All the sense organs become weak. No further discovery can take place. In the Chandogya Upanishad also this comes, the 15 days of Upavas. Slowly reduce and slowly increase. Then he becomes so weak he can't think, contemplate. Again slowly. So Annam and the food is, it influences them. The body is made up of food and subtle energy, one part of energy also goes to mind. So right kind of food. So without this Annam, food, no discovery of Brahman can. Even Buddha Bhagavan, after fasting so long, and he understood that without taking food, I cannot contemplate. So he took that kheer, that payasam first in a patra, and then he continued his contemplation. Therefore, Bhagavan Krishna also says that one who eats too much and one who never eats, for both this yoga is not possible. So, this is the Anna Vratam. So therefore, because Anna is a gateway, And the body is made up of annam. The energy that goes to mind is made up of annam. Therefore, anna shuddhi. Great Mahatmas used to say, a great Mahatma was there, he is no more. He would say that there are 4 ways the anna should be purified. 4 ways. One is sattvic ahara. Anna should be of sattvic nature. First one. Second is mitaharam. Take it in a mitam, a limited way. Not too much overeating, not too fasting. Mitaharam also means what? That depends upon the nature of work you are engaged in. How much your body needs, that much only you should take. So generally, mitahara means a generalized formula is half food, stomach, fill with it, quarter water, quarter air. Mitahara. For grinding space is required. So sattvic ahara, it should be mitaharam. Sattvic aharam doesn't mean you eat. Mitaharam. The third food rule is Daivarpita aharam. That food should have been offered, must be offered to Bhagavan before we eat. That's why Brahmarpanam Brahmahevi. Daivarpita aharam. And the fourth way to bring the purification in food is that Mahatma says Nyayarjita aharam. Nyayena arjitam. Meaning the food should have been earned through right means, not through unrighteous means. So these 4 has to be brought in. So therefore here Annam na nindyat. Now who is saying this Annam na nindyat? Not Varuna. Varuna Bhrugu story we left it. Now Shruti Mata is now explaining to us. It is Shruti Upadesha. Annam na nindyat tat vratam. Therefore, even in the cultured families where this kind of wisdom is prevalent, where the children also taught, even one grain comes out of the plate and falls on the ground. No, annam parabrahma swarupam, lift it and eat. Or keep it aside and give it to birds. Nothing should be left in the plate. It's wonderful. This is very important. Now, pranova annam. Now, this sharira antarbhavat pranasya. Why? Because, see, pranova annam. Annam and atti. Atti means the eater. Eater and the food now. Now see, listen carefully. Here it is said, prana is annam. Prana is annam. Oh, prana is annam. Then who is the eater? Sharirantar bhavat pranasya. Because the rule is this. Because prana is residing, functioning in the body, sharirantar bhavat pranasya. So prana becomes food. What is the now food? Here important. Yad yasya antah pratishtitam bhavati tat tasya annam bhavati iti. Meaning what? That which dwells within something. That which dwells within something. So that which is dwelling inside, that becomes a food for the one which is outer. Yad yasya antah pratishtitam bhavati tat tasya annam bhavati iti. So, prana, where is prana? Which is within the body. So, it is dwelling within the body. Therefore, prana is the food and the body is the eater, consumer. So, tattasya annam bhavati sharire cha prana pratishtitaha. Now, again, where is prana established? Prana is again established in the body only. So, sharire prana pratishtata tasmat prana annam shariram annadam. So since the prana is established in the sharira, so what is happening now? Therefore prana becomes annam and shariram annadam. The body is the eater and prana becomes food. What is the rule now? That which, what dwells within something as food, and whatever holds something, that holder, the one who is holding within, that is the eater. So outer one is the eater, inner one is the eaten, the food. So since prana is residing in the body, so prana becomes food and sharira is eater. Sharire cha prana pratishtitah tasmat prana annam shariram annadam. Clear so far? Now, moreover, tatha also similarly, shariramapi annam prano annadaha. Again, similarly, shariram, the body also is the food, and here the eater is prana. Right? First you said prana is in the body, therefore prana is the food, sharira is eater. Moreover, also this is also true. The contra, the vice versa also true. What is that vice versa? Shariramapi annam bhavati. Bhavati is just added. Shariramapi annam, meaning body also is a food. Prana annadaha, and the prana is the eater. Why? Because kasmat. How come? Because prane shariram pratishtitam. Where is the body established? In prana only, supported by prana only. That means what? एक दूसरों का सहारा देते हुए both of them are residing. So prana is within the body and body is within the prana. So when I say prana is within the sharira, prana is the food, sharira is the eater, annadam. Now similarly, prane shariram pratishtitam tan nimittatvat sharira sthitehe, because sharira is able to sustain, live continuously only because of prana. Therefore, where is body established? In prana. When body is in the prana, established in the prana, so who is the food now? Shariram is the food. Who is the eater? Prana is the eater. See now. Thus, therefore, tasmat tadetad ubhayam shariram pranascha annam annadascha. So shariram prana, both the body and the prana, these both are both the food and also eaters. What is body? It is a food also, it is also eater. It is a food for prana and also eater of prana. What is prana? Food also and eater also. It is food for body and the eater of body. So sharire prana pratishtitah. Prane shariram pratishtitam. Therefore, tasmat tadetad ubhayam shariram pranascha annam annadascha. Yena anyosmin pratishtitam tena annam. Because they are lodged in each other, therefore they become food. Yena anyonyasya pratishtita tena annadaha. Because each one is acting as support of other, therefore they become eaters. Tasmat pranaha shariram cha ubhayam annam annadancha. Therefore, both prana and the sharira are both the food and the eater of the food. Annam na nindyat tad vratam prano va annam shariram annadam. That's one thing. Why? Prane sharira pratishtitah. That's one thing. So all those things as we have seen. Now, saha yaha evam etad annamanne pratishtitam veda. Now thus what is happening now? The one who comes to know that the food is established in food. Why prana is annam? Food is annam. That is, shariram is annam. So, if you say prane sharira pratishtitah, if you say in the prana sharira is pratishtitam, sharira is established, that is anna is established in anna. Both are them anna only. Both of them are food only for the other one. So both mutually supporting, mutually eating. If two people are there and two people love each other, so one likes the company of the other. Now who is enjoying the other company? So both of them are object of enjoyment to other and both of them are enjoyers. Simultaneously. I enjoy Guru's presence, Guru enjoys the disciples' presence. So the enjoyed is, both of them are enjoyed. Enjoyers are, both of them are enjoyers. Did you get the point? Think. So it is not one way. So therefore, so evam etad annam anne pratishthitam veda. So annam anne pratishthitam. Food is established only in food. So food is established on food. He becomes firmly established. Pratishthitam veda, pratishthitam veda pratishtati, meaning anna annadatmana eva pratishtati, meaning he also remains both in the form of food as well as the eater. He is established in that form, meaning he becomes identified with it. He becomes one with it. Both are the eater and the eaten. So therefore, kimcha annavan annado bhavati ityadi purvavat. Now we saw next bhaga is what? Saye tadannamanne pratishtitam veda pratishtati. Then what? Annavan annado bhavati. It is already commented upon. Mahan bhavati prajaya pashubhit brahma varchasena mahan kirtya purvavat. Meaning, as I already commented upon, same thing, copy paste. So what is that we say? This is Shariram and Prana. In the body, Prana is established because supporting. In the Prana, Sharira is established. All those things we saw, and thus both the Annam and Annadam. One who knows that Annam Anne Pratishtitam, Sajaye Tadannamanne Pratishtatam Veda Pratitishthati Annavanannado Bhavati Mahan Bhavati Prajaya Pashubhihi Brahmavarchasena Mahan Kirtya. So therefore, Annam Nanindhyat Tat Vrata. What is the meaning of Ninda? It's a big subject. We have to understand now. So, first one. Very difficult sadhana, sir. Upasana is like that only. Which upasana is easy? First upasana is Sadhana Panchakam. What is that? Kshudvyadischa chikitsyatam pratidinam bhikshaushadham bhujyatam swadvannam natu yachyatam vidhivashat praptena santushyatam. So Annam is considered as a aushadha, medicine, for a peculiar disease called hunger, which manifests for every 3 to 4 hours. Kshudvyadischa chikitsyatam pratidinam bhikshaushadam bhujyatam. And bhikshaushadam bhujyatam means what? That aushadha is bhiksha, though it is meant for sadhus, for those grihasthas, for those other ashramites. How to follow this? Unless otherwise you have some physical restrictions because of health reasons or recommended reasons, unless otherwise. Do not ask anyone to prepare any food. A particular type of food. Whatever is cooked at home, eat it. Stop giving orders. बस खत्म हो गया तपस. It's not easy. Second thing is that which you wanted to enjoy for a taste, renounce it. Your mind says, इतने अच्छा मसाला, बेटा तेरे को मसाला चाहिए? हाँ, आज तेरा बिना मसाला खिलाऊंगा. Number 3, do not analyze food. इसमें ये ठीक नहीं है, उसमें वो ठीक नहीं, इसमें ये कम पड़ गया, उसमें वो कम पड़ गया, उसमें ये ज्यादा हो गया. Even if somebody asks you to analyze, simply answer सब ठीक है, फर्स्ट क्लास, वंडरफुल, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया है. नमक कम हुआ होगा, बहुत बढ़िया है, मेरे लिए बहुत बढ़िया है. ज्यादा हुआ होगा, मेरे लिए बहुत बढ़िया है. Is on the dining table. And once food is eaten, try not to think about food again till the time comes and is mandatory or necessary for you to think. Plus apply the 4 rules: सात्विकाहार, मिताहार, न्यायार्जिताहार, दैवार्पिताहार. So be conscious that food is never for enjoyment, for a seeker. That bhoga buddhi in annam to be renounced. Because of health reason, because of some kind of requirements, because of sometimes like feverish, suppose you have temperature, particular taste is required to the tongue, give it. When you are healthy, don't demand. When you are capable of eating, don't demand food. मुश्किल है. अन्नम न निंद्यात. Never leave any food in the plate except mirchi. लाल मिर्ची, कुछ ऐसे चीज जो खाया नहीं जाता. And teach children also. But elders also, they just throw one roti like this. And this habit of गरम गरम रोटी, ये ठंडा पड़ गया फेंक देंगे. क्या मर जाएंगे क्या ठंडा रोटी खाने से आप? वही गरम करके खाओ. गरम गरम तवा पे निकल, एक थोड़ा ये ठंडा हो गया फेंक देंगे. And I see this in Noida only. मैं पूछता हूं ये क्या करेंगे, बस ऐसे कोई पेड़ में डाल देंगे, इसको छोड़ देंगे। आई रियली फील यू आर नॉट, इन केस ठंडा रोटी हो तो गरम गरम दाल में डुबा के खाओ, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? Your father's paternal property or what? All these things from the cosmos. हिंदी में अनुवाद करो इसका। How dare you people throw food like this? Carelessness. आएगा अभी, आ जा, आगे आएगा, देखिए क्या क्या उपनिषद हमसे कहती है। और मुझे भी डांटने के लिए कभी कभी मौका मिलता है, मैं क्यों छोड़ूं? प्योर ब्राह्मण, मैं क्या बोलते रहता हूँ, बस ब्राह्मण। आप भी सोते रहते हैं, मैं भी सोते रहता हूँ, मैं सोते सोते बात करता हूँ, आप सोते सोते सुनते हैं। जागते कब? ऐसे चीजों में जागते हैं दोनों। मुझे बढ़िया लगता है, अच्छा लगता है। अन्नम न परिचक्षीत तद्व्रतम आपो वा अन्नम ज्योतिरन्नादम अप्सुज्योति प्रतिष्ठितम् ज्योतिष्याप प्रतिष्ठिताः तदेतदन्नमन्ये प्रतिष्ठितम् स य एतदन्नमन्ये प्रतिष्ठितं वेद प्रतिष्ठति। अन्नवानन्नादो भवति महान् भवति प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेन महान् कीर्त्या। अन्नम न परिचक्षीत न परिहरेत, मीनिंग प्लीज नेवर 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 डिस्कार्ड फूड, जो बता दिया पहले। न परिचक्षीत, फर्स्ट इज निंदा, ये खाना ठीक नहीं है और खाना ठीक नहीं, फिर ऐसे कैसे चलो चलिए ठीक है ऐसे खाता हूं, क्या करना है। न निंद्यात, प्रसाद बुद्धि। सेकंड नाउ परिचक्षीत, डोंट डिस्कार्ड फूड। अब देखिए, मैं आपसे आप माने या ना माने, यू लाइक इट और नॉट, साधु लोगों के लिए सपोज कल का रोटी, क्या साधु लोग नहीं खा सकते अगले दिन गर्म करके? क्यों नहीं खा सकते? सब खा सकते। नहीं नहीं, आप कल का नहीं खाना, क्यों? और कल का कल, एक्चुअली दैट इट हैज इट्स ओन टेस्ट, everything is its own taste. I am not asking you to eat stale food or spoiled food and then certain things can remain. अब साइक्लोनिक विंड्स में आता है, लोगों को जो चपाती बेचते रहते पराठा, भाई इट कैन स्टे इवन फॉर 10 days ऑल्सो, इसलिए बेचते हैं कि नहीं? चावल तो खराब हो जाता है ना, तो रोटी तो रहेगा। सो दिस कैन डिमांड्स डिस्कार्डिंग फूड। ये रोटी कब बनाया? 5 मिनट पहले, नहीं चाहिए, गरम गरम बनाओ। मैं आपको ये सच्ची कह रहा हूं यहीं पे बैठ के, मैं आपको, ये बीमारी हो गया लोगों को, बहुत बीमारी है। पर मौका तो नहीं मिला डांटने के लिए, अब मिला मेरे को। वो 5 साल से इंतजार कर रहा हूं, कब आएगा कब आएगा। अन्नम न निंद्यात अन्नम न परिचक्षीत, अब आ गया। अन्नम न परिचक्षीत, डोंट डिस्कार्ड फूड, और जितना चाहिए उतना खा लीजिए। गिव फूड पुअर पीपल, एनिमल्स को फीड करो। फ्रेश खाना। तद्व्रतम न परिहरे तद्व्रतम पूर्ववत स्तुत्यर्थम. As before, it is only to praise importance of food. Purvavat, just as before, it is to praise. Stutyartham, tadvratam, Sutibhag, said no in the beginning itself. Vrata upadeshaha annastutaye. Why it is a vow? Because it is to praise food. Because food is so sacred, so important. Then only it is taken as a vow not to waste it. Stutibhagtvam cha annasya brahma upalabdhi upayatvad. Again, Purvavat. तदेवं शुभ अशुभ कल्पनया अपरिह्रियमाणं स्तुतं महीकृतं अन्नं स्यात्. तदेवं thus food शुभ अशुभ परिकल्पनया, food that is not ignored through ideas of good or bad. ये शुभ, ये अच्छा है, शुभ कल्पना, शुभ कल्पनया अशुभ कल्पनया, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये लायक नहीं है, शुभ कल्पना. अशुभ कल्पना इस ठीक नहीं है, लायक नहीं है. शुभ कल्पना ये ठीक है, ऐसे ही खाना है. This kind of thoughts don't bring on dining table. Shubha kalpanaya, ashubha kalpanaya. Who says? Bhagavad Acharya Shankara. Food in the dining table. Otherwise, kalpana, ideas we generate. This food is good, that is food that is not good. इसमें ऐसा क्यों किया, इसमें तो खराब कर दिया, इसमें जय. जीवन जन्म से लेने मौत तक इसी का चिंतन. ज्यादा रोस्ट कर दिया, उसके ऊपर गार्निशिंग करो. पक तो गया खाना. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? आई एम गार्निशिंग. फॉर व्हाट? नहीं, देखने में भी अच्छा लगना चाहिए, वो तो मानता हूं, मगर आई एम ब्लाइंड. क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? अब जितना भी गार्निशिंग करें, ये गार्निशिंग क्या है? पुराना काल में ये सब नहीं है. अच्छा पकाते, अच्छा बर्तन में रखो, अच्छा बस परोसो, प्रेम से खाओ, भगवान का नाम लेते लेते खाओ, बस हो गया काम. और काम करो. उसके ऊपर एक मिर्च खड़ा करना, टिंग. अब पागलपना क्या? ये जरा देखो भैया, हमारे चिंतन से देखो, हमारे दृष्टि से देखो. एक कैरेट ऐसे स्लैंट में लगाना, अजीब सा लगता है भगवान को देख के. क्या क्या क्या? अरे भैया, अंतःकरण सजाओ. बाहर खाने में कितना क्या सजाते रहते हैं. एंड कैरेट का भी कटिंग में भी डिजाइन कटिंग. चंद्राकार, अर्धचंद्राकार, नक्षत्राकार. और घंटे इसी में. और केला भी लोग पूछते हैं कि काट के दूं. अरे केला काटने क्या जरूरत है? केला छिलका निकालो, बस ऐसे खाओ. नहीं, केला काट के एक स्पोर्क लाके एक प्लेट में रख के, ये पूरा संसार लाके, अच्छा आराम से पेड़ के नीचे बैठो, केला हाथ में गिरा समझो, आराम से छिलका निकाल के खाओ. ये लोग हमसे पूछते हैं, इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूं, भाई केला लाओ, काट के दूं? तो काटो. कितने टुकड़ा? ये भी पूछते हैं, 4 टुकड़ा करो, 3 टुकड़ा करो? जो काटना है वो काटो, जो नहीं काटना वो मत काटो. ये दुनिया पागल बनाएगा, पागल लोग हैं. शुभ अशुभ कल्पनया अपरिह्रियमाणम. अपरिह्रियमाणम means that which is not ignored with these notions of शुभ अशुभ कल्पनया. ये ठीक नहीं है, ये ठीक है, गुड इज गुड, दैट इज बैड, ऐसा भावना खाते समय लाते हुए अपह्रियमान, विदाउट ब्रिंगिंग these ideas, that food which is not ignored, which is not ignored through these kind of ideas, that become what it means? Syat. What it becomes? Stutam mahikrutam annam syat. That food becomes praised. Stutam food. That becomes really, it is a real praise. Because stutam mahikrutam, that food becomes great. एवं यथोक्तम उत्तरेषु अपि आपो वा अन्नम इत्यादिषु योजयेत. Similarly, उत्तरेषु, next also. Now what happened? First one what we saw? In this first one what we saw? Prana and Sharira. Now second one is water is food, Agni is the eater, and Agni is the food, water is the eater. Both. See? Apo va annam. Apaha, water is food. Jyotirannadam, Agni is the eater. Apsu jyoti pratishthitam. Apsu, in the water, fire is established, residing, dwelling. Jyotishyapa pratishtitaha. In the fire, water is established, dwelling. Tade tadannamanne pratishthitam. Said, therefore, sayaye tadannamanne pratishthitam veda pratishtati. So, thus, etad annam anne pratishthitam. Because both of them are annam, both are annadam. Thus, annam established in annam with respect to water and Agni, water and fire. Like Anna, Sharira and Prana Visa. In the Sharira, Prana is there, in the Prana, Sharira is there. Now with respect to Agni and water, in the fire there is water, in the water there is a fire. Thus, Annam is established in Annam. One who knows this, Mahan Bhavati Prajaya Pashubhi Brahmavarchasena Mahan Kirtya Annam na Parichakshita. That is the Vratam here. First one, Annam na Nindyat. Now, na Parichakshita. Don't discard. So, biggest sadhana in life is, आपको जितना चाहिए उतना ही खाना है, और प्लेट में बिल्कुल एक ग्रेन ऑल्सो, एक दाना भी नहीं छोड़ना. When we were children, even one rice, cooked rice, falls out of the plate, our elders used to stare at us. So I used to take out that and put it here. हो गया, आप शांत हो गए. So there used to be competition. Who will eat first without leaving anything in plate and without putting even one grain of rice outside the plate. नीचे गिराना नहीं, सब खाना है और फर्स्ट खाना है. बच्चों में कंपटीशन. बेटा ये खाओगे? नहीं. ठीक नहीं, छोड़ दो, कुत्ता को खिलाओ. छोड़ दो बेटा, सारा खाना पड़ गया. No sense in the mothers, no sense in the parents, no sense inculcated in the children. Am I correct? Thank you. Next anuvag we will go. Annam bahukurvita tadvratam prithvi va annam akasho nadaha पृथिव्यामाकाश प्रतिष्ठितः आकाशे पृथिवी प्रतिष्ठिता तदेतदन्नमन्ये प्रतिष्ठितम् स एतदन्नमन्ये प्रतिष्ठितं वेद प्रतिष्ठति अन्नवानन्नादो भवति महान् भवति प्रजया पशुभिः ब्रह्मवर्चसेन महान् कीर्त्या अन्नम बहुकुर्वीता. Now with respect to Prithvi and Akasha, see, apsu jyotishi iti ap jyotishoho anna annada gunatvena upasakasya annasya bahukaranam vratam. Now Bhagavan Acharya Shankara says, now the one who is the, what do you call, who worships the fire as well as, that is Agni and water as eater and food, unka vrat kya hai? Apsuhu jyotihi iti ap jyotishoho anna annada gunatvena. Ups and water, water and Agni, anna annadena, or food and eater of food. In this way, upasakasya, one who is worshipping food in this manner, in fire and water, stating that one is annam, other is a annadha, eater. Such a one who is contemplating, meditating on this aspect with regards to fire and water. Upasakasya annasya bahukaranam vratam. What is the vratam for such kind of people? That they must see that the food is becoming plentiful. Bahukaranam. They must multiply the food. They must make food available in plenty. Now, that is the vratam. So therefore, with respect to Prithvi and also now Akasha. So Akasho Prithvi va annam. Prithvi is the food. Akasho nadaha. Akasha, space is the eater. Prithvyam Akasha pratishtitaha. In the Prithvi, Akasha is dwelling. Akashe Prithvi pratishtita. In the space, Prithvi is dwelling. Tade tadan namanne pratishtitam. Therefore, ayetam annam anne pratishtitam. Thus food is established on food. Sajaye tadan namanne pratishtitam veda pratitishthati. Annavan annado bhavati. Mahan bhavati. Prajaya pashavi brahmavarchasena. Mahan kirtya. That's all common. Next one. Nakanchana vasatau pratyachakshita. Tadvratam. Tasmadhyaya kaya cha vidhaya bahvannam prapnuyat. Aradhyasma annamitya jakshate. Etadvai mukatho nagam radham. Mukatosma annagam radhyate. Etadvai madhyato nagam radham. Madhyatosma annagam radhyate. Etadva antato nagam radham. Antatosma annagam radhyate. Ya evam veda kshemayiti vachi yogakshemayiti pranapanayoho karmeti hastayoho gatiriti padayoho vimuktiriti payau iti manushi samajñāha atha daivihi truptiriti vrushtau balamiti vidyuti yashayiti pashushu yotiriti nakshatreshu prajatiramrutamānanda ityupasthe sarvamityākāshe tatpratishtetyupāsīta pratishthavan bhavati tanmaha ityupāsīta mahan bhavati tanmana ityupāsīta manavan bhavati tannama ityupāsīta namyante smai kāmāha tad brahmetyupāsīta brahmavan bhavati tad brahmana parimara ityupāsīta paryenam mriyante dvishantas sapatnāha parye priya bhratruvyaha स यश्चायं पुरुषे यश्चासावादित्ये स एकः. Now, I will not make you chant now. We will continue the bhashya for some portion at least. Now, tatha, so also, about annam only. Annam na nindyat, annam na parichakshita, bahukaranam annam. Annam bahukurvita. Okay? Tatha, so also, other things are there regarding food and our vyavahar. Regarding food and our vyavahar related to food, where food is in the picture. What is that? Prithvi Akasha Upasakasya. Now, last one we saw Prithvi Akasha. Prithvyam Akasha Pratishtitah. Akashe Prithvi Pratishtitah. But we saw, no? With respect to Akasha and Prithvi. Because in the space earth is there and in the earth space is there. Therefore, so Prithvi Akasha Upasakasya, one who meditates on this earth as well as space, Vasatau. Vasatau means Vasati Nimittam, in the matter pertaining to dwelling. Vasati, रहने के लिए. Vasati, रहने के लिए. Kanchana, Kanchidapi, meaning anybody, na pratyachakshita, vasatyartham agatam na nivarayet ityartaha. One who is meditating in Akasha and Prithvi, what his vratam is now, रहने के लिए कोई भी आता है ना, anybody who comes to us, न प्रत्याचक्षिता वसत्यर्थम आगतम, one who comes to our house for stay, he should not be sent back. आपका घर में एक कमरा मिलेगा एक दिन के लिए, हाँ नहीं नहीं वैसा कोई नहीं है, वैसा तो है ही मगर नहीं देंगे, जाओ. So vasati nimittam, anybody, because in olden days also this yatris are there. जब बारिश होती है ना तो अगर किसी भी यात्रा करते समय कोई बीमार पड़ जाता है, भूख लगती है और रात हो गई तो रहना है, so there was no lodges and then motels and hotels and all those things. in our धर्मशाला बोलते थे, तो धर्मशाला भी नहीं है गांव में, तो किसी घर पे गया, we knock and so please. So हमारा घर में जो भी अतिथि आने, तो whenever whoever comes and request stay के लिए आते हैं, so you should not be sent back. You should be offered a place to stay. So see, vasatau kanchana na pratyachakshita. See now, vasati nimittam kanchidapi na pratyachakshita vasatyartham agatam na nivarayet ityartaha. He should not be sent back. That's the meaning. Now, vasecha datte avashyam hi ashanam datavyam. Acharya says, once you give him a kamara for him to stay, definitely you must also offer food. You must also offer food. Vasecha datte, and this is the culture of our country. In some countries in the world, there is no question of offering anything. Not even a cup of tea. That culture doesn't exist. Think. So if somebody is offered a tea to you, it's a surprise. Perhaps you don't know what countries are there on the globe. You don't. So this our country is गर्मियों में, I'm just giving you stray incidents just like that. Some people, outside people, workers, laborers, या तो सड़क पर जाने वाले हैं, शेल्टर के लिए दे में एंटर इनटू आवर कंपाउंड, स्टैंड इन अंडर कैनोपी। और घर के आगे, हमारे गेट के आगे जो पेड़ है, बड़ा पेड़ होगा, सपोज पेड़ है, तो पेड़ के नीचे रहते हैं, कभी पानी मांगते हैं। एंड हम सब खिड़की से देखते रहते हैं कितने लोग आज बेचारे गर्मी बहुत है, हाँ पता नहीं कैसे जी रहे हैं। आप कमरे में बैठ के एक कमेंट करते रहते हैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट कमेंट यू कैन आस्क देम, सिट इन द कॉम्पाउंड, ये छाया पे बैठो, कुछ खाया है कि नहीं, कुछ फल हो तो खिलाना, कुछ खाना हो तो खिलाना। Because Narayana only in that form. There is nothing other than Brahman. There is nothing other than Paramatma. There is nothing other than Ishwar. That also is not. अब कोई भी आता हो, we saw that in the morning class only. What is tapas for Grihastha? Charity. Any plumber might come, carpenter might come, electrician might come. उनको बिठा के कुछ खिलाना पिलाना। Somebody yesterday do, आपके पास जब भी आए तो कुछ ना कुछ खिला के भेजते हैं। बोला प्रभु खिलाता है, तो खा के जाना तो हमारा कर्तव्य है। जो अनजान हो, जान हो, what anybody comes here, whatever is there, खा के जाओ। Maybe sweet, maybe फल, maybe apple, maybe banana, maybe biscuit. This habit has to be cultivated. Wonderful, it will come. I'll take 15 minutes more today. Till one point we stop. From next point we can conclude, start next month. So, vasate nimittam. The sensitivity we have to grow. आप जब भी एक ड्राइवर को लेके, जब ऑटो ड्राइवर या टैक्सी ड्राइवर को लेके घूमने जाते हैं, आप होटल में खाते हैं, वो बेचारा स्वेटिंग टॉयलिंग दे, वहां बाहर ही बैठते हैं। I don't know, when the sensitivity is absent, where is the question of spirituality? ऑटो ड्राइवर जाते जाते आप दुकान के सामने रोक के, या कुछ व्हाट यू कॉल वेज पफ एंड कूल ड्रिंक, कोक, एंड नारायण इज ड्राइविंग देयर, वन पफ एंड वन कोक, यहां पर क्या जाता है? That sensitivity has to be there. Somebody was standing, taking in food or taking railway station. A beggar comes and stands. You have no business to analyze whether he is a genuine beggar, not ingenuine. कि वो पैसा नहीं देना चाहता है तो पिला दो कॉफी चाय या ना तो खाना। It is not that you are superior and he is inferior. ये भावना मत लाना। ये जिम्मेदारी समझो या परीक्षा समझो भगवान को। Bhagavan himself is coming in that form, testing you. It's very tough. So don't analyze everybody. आपको जो करना है करो. So वासे च दत्ते अवश्यम, certainly must, अवश्यम ही अशनम दातव्यम. Food has to be given. See? So कोई हमारे घर आता है, accommodate. That you know, of course. Not that I am asking you to accommodate unknown people and then thieves and chore and all that. That is not the spirit here. Accommodate. Right. Tasmat, therefore, yaya kaya cha vidhaya yena kena cha prakarena बखवन्नम प्राप्नुयात्. Therefore, by whatever means not again bad means, मेहनत करो या नहीं तो कभी कभी भीख मांग के भी खिलाना पड़ता है तो खिलाओ, but ultimately तस्मात्, therefore, by any means and whatsoever, kayacha vidhaya, yaya kayacha vidhaya, yena kenacha prakarena, bahvannam prapnuyat. One should collect plenty of food. तिजोरी भर के रखना. For what? Feeding. Bahvannam prapnuyat. Collect plenty of food and keep it ready to feed. Bahvannam prapnuyat. Therefore, bahvannam prapnuyat. Bahvanna sangraham kuryat. Bahu anna sangraham kuryat ityartha. Meaning, one has to keep food, plenty of food to feed. And this is a very funny type of mentality. पैसा है आपके पास, बहुत पैसा है, मगर कंजूसी. तो क्या करेंगे? एक्स्ट्रा नींबू मिर्ची भी नहीं रखते घर पे. दैट इज कॉल्ड इकोनॉमी. काय का इकोनॉमी भगवान जाने. चाय पत्ती कल के लिए कल सुबह लाएंगे. दूध ये एक्स्ट्रा भी नहीं है. कोई आके पूछा तो कुछ भी नहीं. Don't tell me such houses are not there. They think it is economy. It's a financial management. And you know, कोई घर आता है, अच्छा आप कम से कम नींबू चाय पिलाएंगे. I'm sorry, नींबू is not there. Okay. चाय just now दूध भी खत्म हो गए. अच्छा हॉर्लिक्स वो भी नहीं है, हम लोग घर में ऐसा नहीं पीते. अच्छा पानी कम से कम पिला दो. अब वो बेचारा जो आया वो मांग भी नहीं सकता फिर. And you only ask shamelessly that बताओ आप क्या चाहिए आपको. तो पूछने के बाद फिर देने के नहीं है. मैं सच कह रहा हूं या झूठ कह रहा हूं? है ना डंडा, बहुत मोटा डंडा है, बढ़िया बनाया है. Two way I can poke you also, hit you also. पागल दुनिया है. Very absolutely nonsense, miser thinking. Not that you are very poor. Like even Kanakadhara Stotram, that Amma, I get only that kind of fruit. What is that? Amla. बेचारे सर्च करके एक आमला शंकराचार्य के हाथ में लगा दे. बस यही है घर पे. कनकधारा स्तोत्रम. Gold coins were rained in the house. And how many stories we have read, studied in our Puranas that खाते समय भी कोई ना कोई आके वो भी खाए. कुत्ता का रूप में आके कोई लेके गए, कुछ भी नहीं है. और पंचदशी विद्यारण्य मुनि, when nothing is there, he made a bread out of mud and given nivedan to Lakshmi. Eat. This is what I bread I can offer now. Eat now. I must say I don't have eat. What can I offer after puja? This is only Nevedan. Thereafter he became Pithadipati of Sringeri Math. Lot of tapas he did. Vidyaranyasmuni. Author of Panchadashi. So that magnanimity is to be cultivated, he says. Therefore, very important portion is there. Yasmat, since annavantaha vidvamsaha abhyagataya annarthine aradhi, meaning cooked, samsiddham, asmai, for this man, annam iti achakshate. Therefore, vidwans of wise people say that the annavan, one who is having lot of food, abhyagataya, one who comes to him, annarthine, the one who comes for food, aradhi samsiddham asmai iti achakshate. That he should be served cooked food. Aradhi means cooked food. Samsiddham, aradhi means samsiddham, cooked food has to be served. Na nasti iti pratyakshane na kurvanti. Meaning, he should not say, they do not refuse him by saying there is no food. See, yasmat, since annavantaha vidvamsaha, wise man, abhyagataya annarthine aradhi samsiddham asmai, for this man, this kind of this one who is one asked, annam iti achakshate, dadati. Now see what it gives. So therefore nasti iti pratyakyanam na kurvanti. They never say that food is over, ab nahi hai. No, they will not say that. Cooked food नहीं होगा तो फिर बना के खिलाएंगे. तस्माच्च हेतोः, because of this but therefore also for other reason also भगवन्नं प्राप्नुयात् इति पूर्वेण संबंधः. इसके लिए भी भगवन्नं प्राप्नुयात्. For this reason also, not to say no, इसके लिए भी you must acquire good amount of food, plenty of food at home. अच्छा, अपि च अन्नदानस्य महात्म्यम् उच्यते. Now अन्नदान महात्म्यम, the greatness of the gift of food, अन्नदानम, is now told. यथा यत् कालं प्रयच्छति अन्नम तथा तत् कालमेव प्रति उपनमते. Now see, food greets anyone back in at what time, at whatever time, in the very same manner. Anna, whatever you offer, in the very same manner it reciprocates and comes to you at that very period of time. In which time it is offered, at that period of time. Meaning what? Is janam mein, like this we saw in Shiva Parvati Samvad in Mahabharata. That's the reason why bachpan se hi we must teach people to gift, so that same time, same next life also. That's what Shastra says. At the same period of time, food comes back to you to greet. See, he said, apicha annadanasya mahatmyam yatha yat kalam prayachati annam tatha tat kalameva prati upanamade. In the same manner, it comes back in the same period of time in which it is offered. Kathamiti, how? Tadetadaha. It is said now. Etadva annam mukhato mukhye prathame vayasi. No, mukhya. Etadva annam annagam mukhato onnagam radhyate. This means what? The very fact that annam mukhataha, meaning mukhye prathame vayasi. One meaning of mukhya is what? Prathame vayasi means in the very early age. If you offer food in the early age, you are taught how to donate, how to share, how to feed others. Little children also have this habit, ice cream khate. And some children don't give. And parents have to teach. And you also should practice. So, prathame vayasi, in the early age, mukshaya, otherwise mukshaya va vritya, meaning otherwise with the best, this mukato means what? Other meaning is, one meaning is prathame vayasi, other meaning is with the best attitude. Athava va mukshaya vritya. Mukshaya vritya means with the best attitude. If you offer puja parasaram abhyagataya annarthine samsiddham radham samsiddham prayachati iti vakyasheshaha. So, suppose either in the early age of your life or with the best attitude mukato, if you offer food puja saram with veneration, with reverence, with bhakti, with the right attitude, not that you are giving some food, you are superior and he is inferior. No, with veneration, with respectful offering, with puja saram abhyagataya annarthine, one who comes to your house desiring food, abhyagataya radham, which annam prayachati? Samsiddham annam, that is cooked food. Prayachati is to be added, supplied. Prayachati means is offered. Iti vakyasheshaha. Because etadva mukato nagam radham, in the mantra there is no prayachati. So prayachati to be added. Meaning, whatever age you give food, the food comes back to you in the same way. So if you give prathama vayasi in the early age or the best attitude, again, tasya kim phalam syat, such a person donor, what is the fruit that he gets? Mukataha purve vayasi mukchaya va vritya asmai annadaya annam radhyate yathadattam upadishtata ityartaha. Same age for that person, anna food comes back to you. Purve vayasi mukhyaya va vritya. Otherwise, same age it comes back to you, or the people who offer you food, they offer you with love and veneration and respect. Echal leka, ek roti, eka. Some people offer food to others in the same manner. Ele, roti kha, aake mar. सांप खा के कैसे मरेंगे? Now the two way. One man who is donating food is not practicing ethics or the dharma shastra upasana. But one who is receiving, आपको अपने जीवन में जो खिलाता है, जो भी खिला रहा है in the vayasi, prathama vayasi, if you are getting back the food, that means in the earlier life you have donated the food, you have gifted, you shared what you had with that attitude. Or with the best attitude, if you have given food, same attitude, people serve you back. So you will get back. Food will greet you back in the same manner. That's the meaning. Prathama vayasi. Evam, similarly, madhyato nagam radhyate. Madhyato means madhyame vayasi. Madhyamena cha, or otherwise madhyamena cha upacharena. In the middle, suppose middle age tak kuch bhi nahi diya. You donated good food, good amount of food, annadana, in your middle age you did. Next life in the middle age of yours, you will get back. Evam madhyato madhyame vayasi madhyamena cha upacharena, or with mediocre way of the upachara, not high respect, not totally low thinking, but in between vyavahar. If food comes back to you, same way. Tatha antate vayasi means jaghanyena, by scant courtesy or in the old age of yours, if you are given, paribhavena tatha eva asmai rajyate samsidhyati annam. Similarly, at that age, in the same scant way only, food comes back to you and greets you. Ya evam veda, the one who knows this, ya evam annasya yathoktam mahatmyam veda. This is the secret of anna. If you keep on feeding with whatever attitude and throughout your life, you will get throughout your life, and with a good attitude only food comes back to you. This is a secret. So this is the greatness, the glory of the food. Veda, whoever knows, tad danasya cha phalam tasya yathoktam phalam upanamate. And the fruit of that danam, above said to him, as said above, will come back to him. So anna, you know what is it now? One is annam na nindyat, annam na parijakshita, then annam bahukurvita. Three things are told, that is, don't censure food, don't discard food, leave it in the plate or anything. Then annam bahukurvita, keep plenty, collect plenty to donate, and keep on feeding people. In the sense, give abhyagataya, whoever comes to us for shelter, don't say no. One who comes to shelter, you also give food. With whatever attitude you feed people, same attitude, with food will come back and greet you. And whatever age you give, with the same age only the food comes back to you in plenty at that particular time. This is the Mahatmyam, Anna Mahatmyam. Now, Idanim Brahmana Upasana Prakaram Uchyate. Now, the process of meditation on Brahman is told. This we will take up next month. That is from 19th to 22nd. 4 days, morning. 19, 20, 21 and 22. And Mahabharatam talks will continue on 18th, 19th, 20 and 21. 4 days. 22nd is the preparation for 23rd onwards, 24 hours, Sampurna Ramcharitmanas Phat. Sri Ramanavami 24th. So 22nd I can't have Yajna here because of preparation here. So 4 days evening, 4 days morning. Next month, hopefully, we will complete this Dashamanuvaka also. With that, Taittiriya Upanishad will be completed. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. So regarding food visa, now the Brahma Upasana begins.